Diego Shepherd? Is that what you said?
Yes.
Oh my God, no one listens. All right, Mr. Shepherd, here we go. Ooh, uh-oh. You are here in 26, 24, 91, 32 FY for an arraignment. And the first question I'm going to ask you, Diego Shepherd, is did you meet with an attorney this morning?
Yes, I did.
All right, terrific. There's an attorney present for you right here at this time. So if you have any questions or anything, Mr. Holmes is right here for you, all right?
Okay.
Next question. You signed an advice of rights form here in the file. Did you read that and understand that, sir?
Yes.
And do you have any questions about your rights?
No.
Good. Okay. You are you are charged, sir, with having on or about July 9, 26, Muskegon Heights, Muskegon, County, Michigan, having allegedly committed the offense of count 1, delivery, manufacturing of 50 grams or more, but less than 450 grams of a mixture containing the controlled substance cocaine. That makes it a felony punishable by 20 years in prison and or a $250,000 fine. You're charged under the habitual offender fourth offense notice provision in that it's alleged you were previously convicted of a felony or attempted felony, my goodness, just May 23, 2005, which was a delivery manufacturing of a controlled substance. And June 7, 2004, the offense of delivery manufacturing of a controlled substance, looks like either cocaine or heroin or fentanyl, one of those substances in those. And on September 23, 2002, possession of less than 25 grams of a controlled substance. Again, either cocaine, heroin, or fentanyl, one of those in that last charge. You need to understand if convicted, then under the habitual offender fourth offense notice, it makes the offense a maximum of up to life in prison. So very serious now that it's charged under the fourth offense notice provision. Do you understand the charge and the potential penalties, Mr. Shepherd?
Yes.
Terrific. All right. So I am going to grant you a court-appointed attorney. Says you have been working for Amazon for 3.5 years, but you have 3 minor children, correct?
Yes.
And you have rent that is very significant, correct?
Yes.
So given that, you certainly qualify for a court-appointed attorney. Your court-appointed attorney's information is on your notice to appear, okay? It's a red stamp should you need to get a hold of them, but they'll be at all of your court appearances. You're gonna have 2 dates coming up in the next 21 days. The first is your probable cause conference date. Date and time for that is
July 21st at 1:30.
July 21st at 1:30 in the second floor pretrial conference room. That's room 215. Then your preliminary exam is
July 28th at 9 a.m.
July 28th at 9 a.m. and that is in courtroom 4, and that would be Judge Kostrava. This is the only notice you get from the court, so make sure that you you know, get it on your refrigerator, do what it is you need to do to make sure you're appearing, okay?
Okay.
You will also have bond conditions of no alcohol, no non-prescribed drugs, no marijuana, no new charges, no firearms in your possession, and no other weapons in your possession. Understood?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Okay, I am gonna turn to Mr. Martin to argue bond. Before I do that, though, I do wanna clarify for the record, how long have you lived in Michigan for?
For my life.
Your entire life?
Yes.
Okay, and you are how old, sir?
50.
50, correct? All right, have you ever served prison time?
Yes.
When were you released from prison?
In 2006.
And that's the last time you were in prison, is that correct?
Yes.
All right. And you've worked for Amazon for 3.5 years on a full-time basis?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna turn now then to Mr. Martin. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah.
As the court has noted, Mr. Shepard has been a lifelong resident here. He has accumulated some prior convictions, all of which are drug related. I think there's a drug problem for sure that needs to be addressed, whether he's cleared of these charges or not. We haven't got sufficient information to determine at this point whether there's a probability of conviction on these charges or not. But he has been a good family man. He's taken care of his 3 kids. His wife's present. His ties to the community are extensive. In addition to the Amazon job, he's also worked a second job at Yummy's Foods.
Oh, the one on Sherman? Is that the one on Sherman?
Yes, Sherman, and we also be on Gage.
Okay.
He hasn't got any failure to appears. He hasn't got any assaultive charges. He's appeared on every one of his prior problems. So we would ask the court for a bond that's reasonable, conditioned on no alcohol, no drugs, perhaps engagement in a program to address those issues.
Thank you. All right, anything further then, Mr. Martin?
No.
Thank you, Mr. Martin. Boy, you do have a lot of drug convictions. They're old, but they're there. And there is a prior assaultive matter. It's old. It's technically not on your record anymore, but the court can certainly consider that in terms of bond. It is old, oh, I will give you that. But to say there is nothing would be incorrect. And that's not privy though, probably to Mr. Martin, but the court can see that. So there are some assaultive history and very significant prior drug charges. And, you know, I would love to give people PR bonds. I mean, nobody likes to put anybody in jail. Well, I can't say nobody, probably, maybe some people don't mind it, but personally, I don't like putting people in jail, but I have to weigh factors that include seriousness of the offense. This is a very, very serious offense. This is not your typical possession charge, which unfortunately we have a lot of possession charges. They become typical. This is a 50
to $450 charge. That is a lot of alleged cocaine. A lot of alleged cocaine. And what that results in, if it's true, and I'm presuming it's not, but if it is, what that results in is, frankly, many people's lives ruined. At their own choice maybe, but their lives are ruined. It involves a lot of violence many times, both from the person possessing the cocaine in a significant amount, but also the individuals who get the cocaine from the person who has a large amount. And their lives are ruined. Their families' lives are ruined. It becomes territorial. That's why we see gun violence everywhere. So to say that this is no big deal and that this isn't potentially very, very dangerous to the community is absolutely incorrect. So I have to take this for what it is, and that's an allegation of a life offense involving a whole lot of cocaine by an individual who has a history selling cocaine. So your bond in this case will be a $75,000 cash surety bond. Your bond conditions will include no alcohol, no non-prescribed drugs, no marijuana, no new charges, no firearms in your possession, and you would be required to enter the DNA drop program for drugs and alcohol before you can be released. Okay, any questions? The only reason I frankly made it that low is because you haven't had anything for a while. You haven't had anything in 20 years.
How do I enter the class?
How do you what?
I gotta enter the class from the inside?
I don't understand his question.
He wants to enroll in the drop program.
Oh, they will enroll you before you're released if you post the $75,000 cash surety bond. Okay? And if you're dirty at all, then your bond gets revoked. All right? Thank you.
Thank you.